Okay guys, so this is what we're reviewing. I'm gonna install these onto my car and we're gonna try them out. They're supposed to be really white, really bright. Let's see if these are as good as these guys say they are. They're supposed to be the exact same size as a regular light bulb. They're supposed to fit in there nice. So far I looked at them, they look pretty good guys. All right, so I think let's get started.
Okay guys, well, as you've seen, they do make a lot of nice claims about these lights. So there they are. They do look very nice, very good quality from what I can tell. Nicely boxed, almost like opening an iPhone. Little manual with some information. Okay, so this is what we're putting them into, guys. I got some nice depot headlights. We're putting them into this. This is a projection light. All right, first I'm gonna show you the original beam pattern with the regular H7 light bulbs. Okay guys, so I got the low beams on, and as you can see, I mean, I don't have a good wall anywhere, but the pattern is absolutely perfect. Here, I'll shut the light off. So there it is. See, I mean, there's nothing shining above that line. I have halos, so that's why that's lit up. And how it like goes like this and then it goes up, that's on purpose. So these are doing exactly what they're supposed to be doing. See, that's what those look like. Just regular light bulbs. Maybe they look like ultra white, but they're actually like yellowish. For some reason, the camera's not picking it up. Okay, so I am gonna put one of these in and see if it does what they claim it does. And for the price, it would be nice. Okay guys, so I got one of the original H7 bulbs out. So I noticed there is one difference. So this is how it was in the light. This cutout was facing down, right? But this light, see, it has two cutouts, which gives you the option, basically, you can either put it in like this or put it in like this, see? Like that or like that. So I'm gonna try it like this first, try the light out and see if that works. And then I'm gonna try it the other way. I don't know why they give you two options. Maybe it depends on your type of light or something, but I will try it both ways. Okay, so first I'm gonna put it in this way where that face is down, that face is up. Get it? Just like this. Okay guys, so I just tried it and okay, so I put it in like this at first. And it looked like it was working fine, but then I put it in the other way, like this way, where these things face sideways. And honestly, there was a way wider beam. So these go like that. That's how you put them on. If you were using it in a high beam, because you can use H7 bulbs in a high beam situation, right? Like my bulbs here, they are both H7 bulbs, but that's a high beam and that's not. So it's the actual light itself that makes the pattern, right? But sometimes when you buy these aftermarket LED lights, they don't shine the light in the right spot, and you know, the beam pattern looks like crap. But anyways, so I'm gonna install both of these in this position, and then I will show you the beam pattern and tell you if these are worth it. Okay guys, so they are installed. So before I show you the beam pattern, they are extremely white. It looks awesome, absolutely awesome. They were so yellow before, now they're like ultra white, like a brand new car. And the beam pattern, well, check it out. So there it is guys, as you can see, it's ultra white, but the beam pattern is perfect. Like look at that line. I'm gonna just shut the light off so you can see it better. So there it is guys, and as you can see, none of the light is spilling over the line, so you're not gonna be blinding people when you're driving down the road, guys. So I am gonna give these lights a 10 out of 10 review, guys, because the price was incredible. Look how nice and white they look, and they did everything they said they were gonna do, guys. Thumbs up, get some. Make sure you subscribe too if you like this kind of video. See you later.